In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for documents in Pandadoc. Let's get started by opening up Pandadoc and looking at the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a vertical navigation bar. This is where you can access different areas of your account, such as templates, content, and most importantly for this video, your documents. To begin searching, look for the icon labeled Documents in that left-hand sidebar. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the central documents area, where all of your Pandadoc documents are stored. Think of this as your main library, where every proposal, contract, and agreement you've created or received is listed and organized. Once you're on the Documents page, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll see a search bar running along the upper area of the interface. This is your main tool for quickly finding what you need without having to scroll through long lists or manually filter every time. Click into that search bar and start typing a keyword related to the document you're trying to find. You have a few different options here. You can search by the document name if you remember the title or even part of it. You can also type in the name or email of a recipient if you remember who the document was sent to. Another powerful option is to search using a specific word or short phrase that appears in the document's content itself, such as a project name, a company name, or a distinctive term you used in the text. As you type, Pandadoc will automatically begin filtering the list of documents below in real time. You don't usually need to press enter, just pause for a moment, and you'll see the results update to match your search term. If you're not seeing what you expect, try adjusting your keywords slightly. For example, use a shorter part of the name, or try a different word you know appears in the document. The more specific and unique your keyword is, the faster you'll narrow down the list. Once you spot the document you're looking for in the results, simply click on it to open it and continue your work. And that's it. By using the Documents icon in the sidebar and the search bar at the top, you can quickly find any document you need in the latest Pandadoc interface with just a couple of simple steps.